in 1.3. The second is the certificate rotation for edge node. Yeah, these two features we will do in 1.4.
Yes. So I remember there's another thing is the edge mesh. We want to improve the connectivity between edge host.
Yeah, yes.
So that could be a candidate.
Yes, the edge mesh.
Can you just type?
I think the I think the 1.4 roadmap we still need one more discussion and the details.
So can you go back to 1.3? The spreadsheet?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay. We still have a dependency 1.18 pending, right?
Oh yeah. This is still pending now.
And I think a 1.14 Golang dependency, that one we can postpone, we can push to 1.4 because our upstream Kubernetes haven't been upgraded yet. I think we just follow them with that. We don't go early than that. That's I'm thinking.
Yeah. Yes. We need to wait for the upstream Kubernetes upstream to upgrade it.
Okay. So anything else for 1.3? Because we just have we had the code freeze on April 30th.
Yeah. Yes.
I see still a few things pending. I think maintainers need decide which one will be in, which one not.
Yeah, I think the upgrade Golang and upgrade Kubernetes we can move to next release.
Okay. By the way, it's already recording, so this for this session. Okay, 1.3. I think we should be in good shape. We can go 1.4 right now.
Yes.
And so this is I just want to say this is the early stage of 1.4 planning, so everybody can chime in for on the meeting notes, and we are going to organize something like this spreadsheet. We list the big features for 1.4 release. Now it's a good chance for everybody to see what's going on and what do you want to include it, or what do you want to include in the release 1.4, or you want some feature requests for 1.4. That's a good chance to chime in.
Yeah.
Okay, let me just type it. Yes. So, yep. So welcome to the community member to have a feature request. And the another thing is I have, as I already posted in a general channel, I already put into general channel in the Slack. We're going to have a Crino blueprint, KubeEdge blueprint committee meeting from, that will be 11 a.m. Peking time and 8 p.m. Pacific time. So people are welcome to join. That's talking about how to make use and how to put the
Hey, Ian, can you send?
Yeah, I will put in the link here. I'm trying to find the window right now.
I'm actually asking for the link to the meeting minutes, the one you're editing. Can you
Okay, I will put in
chat?
the chat window of the.
Yeah, just this one, the one you're editing.
Okay. I put in the chat window.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
So I'm putting here a Crino BP setting. So here, I think that would be our sister program, sister project that is mainly focusing on KubeEdge, is building another or other verticals in a Crino community. So that's going to be our sister project. Yep. So today will be the very first meeting. We are going to go over the introduction, release planning, schedule, scope, everything. So we welcome people to join. Yeah, I think that's all for me today. I know that China just come back from the holiday break, so probably not everybody in the working mode yet.
Is that today their first day after the holiday, or?
Yes, the very first morning.
Okay.
After a 5-day holiday. So that's all for me today. But we definitely can have more next time. Yeah, Faye, do you have anything?
Yes, no, that's all me today.
Yeah, because another thing is the annual review.
Annual review.
So that one, we already status is submitted to TOC review, but we haven't heard that back yet. And the next step, we are going to apply for incubation.
Yeah.
So that one is, we need to do that right after any review. We need to prepare because the rumor that they are going to do some reform on the procedures. So it's better for us to apply as soon as possible, or that's the change we could delay us. Yeah, that's all I have today. Yeah. Anything else?
Does anybody have any questions?
So there will be an Dev Summit. KubeEdge is one of the workshop topic. Invite developers to come and talk and do the, I guess it will be something like a hackathon, it's like coding thing. I will know more details from my colleagues, but definitely KubeEdge is one of the key topics there.
Thank you. I think Dave Chen is from ARM, right? He's
Yes.
Active. Yep. So do you have any website or something I can post here so people can click around or?
Sure. Let me find out to see what I can find for my colleague.
Okay. Yep. So I think I put the notes so people will know. So Jen, do you have anything?
Not so much. Just the API doc I'm looking for. I don't know whether there is one. If not, maybe you need to come up with a plan to at least to summarize some of the management APIs.
Okay. So API for Akrino or
API in general for
for
people to use the KubeEdge, right? So I think there could be a few APIs from the management point of view, or there could be APIs for applications to use KubeEdge to do the basic lifecycle management or the DevOps. Whatever KubeEdge right now is exposing to the application.
So what's lifecycle referred to? The edge node lifecycle or?
No, application.
Application, okay.
Yeah. Just imagine if there's an application who wants to use KubeEdge as a platform.
Oh,
so,
that one we use just standard Kubernetes API. So that's the purpose how we build the KubeEdge. So basically, when you deploy an app, so when you use Kubernetes deploy to the cloud platform, you do kubecontrol deploy or kubecontrol stop, delete or something. And the exact same on KubeEdge, we just put the node instead of in data center, it's actually an edge node. The worker node is actually edge node in the remote side. So from the developer API side, the point of view, the exact same using Kubernetes. That's why it's popular. So that's why it's no different to deploy to the cloud or to edge.
But do they get
the Kubernetes standard API?
Do they get to specify where the edge node can be? I guess we'll take an example and see.
Yeah, could you prepare some scenarios so we can do the analysis based on the example, the scenario, so we can see, okay, in this step we will call Kubernetes management plan API server, or for this one we want to call this. So we can have a scenario, so we can, for each step, we can see what's going on.
Yeah. And right now, my focus is more on the REST API side. So mostly it would be the management, orchestration, configuration side. There could be some other forms of APIs exposed. I think we can take that as the secondary or less lower priority. Right now, I'm just looking for the RESTful API from KubeEdge, because in that way we can actually bring those into the Akrino API portal, and I think there's a high possibility that the APIs look very similar or almost identical to the standard Kubernetes APIs, but there could be some little variations there where the KubeEdge has the the advantage.
Okay.
Yeah, we just have to see and highlight the differences.
Okay. Yeah, I say we can say KubeEdge need to get input for the Krino API portals.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we can prepare that. We can. Anything else? Yeah, if don't, we can have a short meeting. So welcome to join. The next meeting is in half an hour. So that will be the Krino KubeEdge BP meeting.
Okay.
Okay. Faye, do you have anything? We can end this early.
Okay, I have nothing to discuss.
Okay. Cool. So yeah, today's May 6th in Beijing time.
Yeah.
So thank you, everybody. Let's end the meeting today. Look forward to the next meeting.
Okay.
Yeah. Welcome to the next meeting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Okay.
thanks.
Bye.
Talk to you soon at 8 p.m.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye.